serving the Munster and Janesville listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Montague County in north central Texas until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:08 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Carroll, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, on all sides hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Hedden, Wilson, Ringling, Velma, Terrell, Tatums, Loco, Radcliffe City, Graham, Whoville, Grady, Ulster, Cornish, Fox, Courtney, and Petersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.